I'd like to show you how quickly we can extract multiple tenement quick appraisals from DMIRS Tengraph that are only supplied in PDF form and automatically convert them into a single Excel spreadsheet. If you've ever done a due diligence before, you'll know that this is a time-consuming process, often taking weeks. The process is simple and can be done with any current tenement in Tengraph, either via LandTracker due diligence or selecting tenements in LandTracker. Let's show you how easy it is. We'll search for Chalice as an existing holder and select some tenements and then run a bulk quick appraisal. This process takes some time because we're using DMIRS systems which are interrogating multiple data layers, so we've sped it up. You can leave it running and do something else, answer emails or make a coffee and get on with other work. Once completed, the quick appraisal PDFs will be waiting for you in a folder, along with a fully formatted Excel spreadsheet where all the data is ready for you to use. The Excel file has a number of tabs. The Admin tab that lists all the shires you will need to deal with related to your tenements and project. The Tenements tab that will show you any overlapping tenements, for example miscellaneous licenses that indicate related access agreements. The Land tab. This is the goldmine of data showing all C-class reserves, heritage survey areas, file notation areas, pastoral properties, threatened ecological communities, and a number of other useful land categories. The Native Title tab, showing all the native title parties and the native title representative bodies, along with their addresses. The PG Titles tab shows all the gas pipelines that run through the project. This feature will save tenement managers, geologists and lawyers an enormous amount of time and effort. Call us if you want a demonstration of this information goldmine.